iPads at Pukekawa. After going to the conference Learning at Schools at the beginning of the year, I was even more keen to get iPads into our school. The cost was not in our budget, and so after consulting with the principal, I approached the PTA for funding. I recently been given an iPad, so I took it to the meeting and showed them some of the applications that I thought would be useful, showed them how the children at the school who had had a chance to work with it, how much they enjoyed it, and showed them some research about how useful iPads could be in the school. We purchased 8 iPads at the beginning of this year, and it's been great. Now we have to use them. So what were we going to do? Well, the staff all got one to take home to have a play with over the holidays, and we discussed the apps we wanted to put onto it. We made sure that we could book out groups of 8 at a time so that you could use all the iPads in your classroom for a whole class lesson, and then the free times that weren't being booked out, we have made it so that you can get 2 per class all the time. This is working really well at the moment, and it's making sure that all the iPads are being used. It's really important to us that they're being used constantly. Our philosophy is that the iPad should be, instead of just a game, they should be used in inquiry learning and a tool there. And Sylvia from Languages gave us a great breakout at the conference about how to use this, looking at Bloom's taxonomy for the iPads and Digital Learning Farm for the iPads, looking at using the iPad as a tool to investigate, research, record, and then present our findings from an inquiry. You can see all this on Languages at wikispaces.com. After each teacher playing during the holidays and 2 weeks in class, we've decided that after each staff meeting we'll talk about the applications that are available and decide which ones are working for us and which ones we need. We've already added on some atlases and some other games that teachers have asked for. After this short amount of time, it seems to be a success. It's all working smoothly and the teachers are nearly enjoying them as much as the students.